In this video, we'll show you 6 hydrogen peroxide hacks you need to know. Kill dust mites. Dust mites are microscopic insect-like pests that feed on dead human skin cells which thrive in the bedroom. With us spending close to 1/3 of the day in bed, the mattress is a huge feeding ground for dust mites. Simply spray your mattress with a mixture using equal parts hydrogen peroxide and water to help get rid of these unwanted pests. Let the mattress dry completely, then go over the mattress with your vacuum before remaking with fresh bedding. Clean your toilets. Since hydrogen peroxide is effective at removing bacteria and viruses, it makes a great choice for cleaning your toilet. Just pour half a cup of undiluted hydrogen peroxide to your toilet bowl and you'll notice it'll start bubbling immediately. Leave it in there for about 20 minutes to see it work its magic. Sanitize reusable grocery bags. Your reusable grocery bags should be thoroughly washed frequently to prevent harmful bacteria. However, if you're pressed for time, a little hydrogen peroxide will help kill potentially harmful germs in between washes. Turn your bag inside out and give the interiors a good spray with undiluted hydrogen peroxide. Let the bag air dry completely before using. Clean children's toys. Your children's toys can harbor loads of germs. It's important to clean and sanitize them regularly, especially those items that often go in their mouths. Spray individual toys with a mixture using equal parts hydrogen peroxide and water. Let it sit for about 15 minutes and wipe off any remaining residue with a clean paper towel or cloth. Disinfect kitchen sponges. We all know bacteria thrives on dirty kitchen sponges. Soak your sponge in a mixture using equal parts hydrogen peroxide and warm water to help disinfect your sponges. Let them soak for about 15 minutes, then rinse thoroughly and air dry. Sanitize manicure tools. Did you know your tweezers, nail clippers, and other manicure or pedicure tools are constantly coming in contact with body oils and bacteria? A quick soak or rub down in some hydrogen peroxide will sanitize the tools. Let the tools sit for about 15 minutes to sanitize before drying with a clean paper towel or cloth. There you go, hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.